Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to check your Spotify Wrap in 2024. So first thing first, go to Settings, General, then iPhone Storage, then find Spotify app right here, then click Upload app, then after that reinstall app, so it's done. Now go to your web browser, go to private mode, and in the search bar typing spotify.com/wrapped and click go. So after that, click open the app, open Spotify. Now you'll see your 2024 Wrapped right here. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Bye.